beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, you're welcome. My name is Belex. So today we're going to be trying out a gele tutorial, just a simple hairstyle gele tutorial. And before we go into the video, please kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe and share your thoughts about the video and also comment below. So today we're going to be creating a V-shaped gele, not the round normal ground gele. Today is going to be a V-shaped gele. So the first thing I did was to make 5 springs of gele, then placed it on her head. Then usually you go to the back, you cross it. Then this is the short hand of the gele. I'm using it to create that V angle in a heart form. Normally the normal gele we normally tie, most people tie, is normally round, but for this design we're going to be making a V angle gele. So you just make your print after crossing that short hand there. Make your prints, several prints, like 7 or 8. In my last gele tutorial video, we created the round style gele, but today we're going to be doing the V gele. So after making your prints, the next thing, make sure you arrange it. Every step matter, like I said, guys, seriously, every step matter. Make sure you arrange it. Then after placing it, you secure your prints that you've already created with a pin. Secure your gele with an office pin.
I like the bed to myself, nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So
after securing your gele with an office pin, we're going to go ahead with the other hand. That's the other hand that was left aside. That's the 60 hands. That's the long hand that we left aside to create this style. Now look at how big it is. This is the remaining of the hand. This is the hand we're going to use to create a design, to give the gele a nice design. So I went ahead to create the designs. The designs, I used the office pin I talked about to create the design. For this design, there's nothing really difficult there. You just have to go to the back and make sure you're holding, make sure you're pinching in some gele parts and secure it with a pin, as if you're folding your clothes. And without folding, you just have to secure it with the pin. Just make the fold and secure it with the pin. That was all I did for this gele. For the front, that's the front, we're gonna create a little design at the front here. Just roll it, and you secure it with your pin. You see, guys, that's basically it. We're done. This is the finished look, guys. This is the finished look of the gele hairstyle. This is a simple hairstyle. It didn't even take me up to 5 minutes to get this hairstyle. So it is very simple, guys. It's very simple. Just try it out and tell me what you think. Please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my next video. I love you all. Bye.